In view of the above recorded submissions of the parties, there emerges two further questions. Whether 2018 leadership structure is in conformity with the constitution of Shiv Sena. Number two, whether will all the Paksha Pramukh whether will of the Paksha Pramukh and or majority leaders in the 2018 leadership structure could be said to be synonymous with the will of the political party. So we further have to derive get answers to two more questions. The primary one being whether 2018 leadership structure is in conformity as provided by the constitution, and number two, whether the will of the Paksha Pramukh and or majority of the leaders reflects the will of the political party. As there are contrasting submissions on the question, it is necessary to peruse the SS Constitution and the 2018 leadership structure and then record a finding as to whether the 2018 leadership structure is in conformity with the constitution of the Shiv Sena. Thus, I have taken a comparative look at the 2018 leadership structure and the SS Constitution and have arrived at the following observations and conclusions. A. 2018 leadership structure mentions Shiv Sena Paksha Pramukh into bracket President as the highest office of the SSPP. However, in the SS Constitution, the highest office of the Shiv Sena political party is Shiv Sena Pramukh, but the said Constitution distinguishes highest office and the highest authority and provides that Rashtriya Karyakarni is the highest authority whose decision shall be final. Shiv Sena SS Constitution provides that the members of the Rashtriya Karyakarni shall be called as Shiv Sena leaders and provides for a total number of 19 members, out of which 14 are to be elected by the Pratinidhi Sabha and the rest of the 5 members are to be appointed by Shiv Sena Pramukh. However, the 2018 leader structure envisages only 13 members in the Rashtriya Karyakarni, out of which 19 are to be elected and the remaining 4 are to be appointed. SS Constitution provides for a total number of 21 deputy leaders, out of which 17 are to be elected by the Pratinidhi Sabha and the rest of the 4 members are to be appointed by Shiv Sena Pramukh. However, the 2018 leaders structure envisages 33 deputy leaders, out of which 21 are to be elected and the remaining 12 are to be appointed. The 2018 leadership structure provides for 3 categories of office bearers, vis-a-vis Secretary, Samanvayak and Sanghatak. However, the Constitution of Shiv Sena provides for 3 categories of office bearers, vis-a-vis President, Sar Chitnis, General Secretary, Koshadhyaksha, Treasurer. From the observation recorded in the preceding paragraphs, it is evident that the 2018 leadership structure is not at all in conformity with the Constitution of Shiv Sena. In view of this finding alone, it could very well be concluded that the 2018 leadership structure, which is not in conformity with the Constitution of Shiv Sena, cannot be taken as the yardstick to determine which faction was the real political party at the relevant point of time. In view of the same, I have come to the conclusion that the 2018 leadership structure read with the SS Constitution does not provide a reliable outcome and or answer the question which faction is the real political party and hence cannot be relied upon to determine the said preliminary issue. Nevertheless, I am inclined to look at the second question regarding paragraph 115 here and above, where will of the Paksha Pramukh and or majority leaders in the 2018 leadership structure could be said to be synonymous with the will